Welcome to Flash English, your English channel where you learn fast and easy. Stay until the end and test your memory. Share this video with a friend, like if you enjoy learning English, and subscribe for more. Let's start. Eagle. Eagle.
Eagle is a powerful bird of prey. Eagle. Eagle.
Hawk. Hawk.
Hawk is a fast hunter. Hawk. Hawk.
Falcon. Falcon.
Falcon is one of the fastest birds. Falcon. Falcon.
Owl. Owl.
Owl hunts at night. Owl. Owl.
Parrot. Parrot.
Parrot can mimic sounds. Parrot. Parrot.
Macaw. Macaw.
Macaw has colorful feathers. Macaw. Macaw.
Cockatoo. Cockatoo.
Cockatoo has a beautiful crest. Cockatoo. Cockatoo.
Canary. Canary.
Canary is famous for singing. Canary. Canary.
Budgie. Budgie.
Budgie is a friendly pet bird. Budgie. Budgie.
Pigeon. Pigeon.
Pigeon lives in many cities. Pigeon. Pigeon.
Dove. Dove.
Dove is a symbol of peace. Dove. Dove.
Crow. Crow.
Crow is very intelligent. Crow. Crow.
Raven. Raven.
Raven is a large black bird. Raven. Raven.
Sparrow. Sparrow.
Sparrow is small and active. Sparrow. Sparrow.
Robin. Robin.
Robin has a bright red chest. Robin. Robin.
Swallow. Swallow.
Swallow flies very fast. Swallow. Swallow.
Seagull. Seagull.
Seagull lives near the ocean. Seagull. Seagull.
Pelican. Pelican.
Pelican has a large beak pouch. Pelican. Pelican.
Flamingo. Flamingo.
Flamingo has long pink legs. Flamingo. Flamingo.
Peacock. Peacock.
Peacock displays colorful feathers. Peacock. Peacock.
Swan. Swan.
Swan is graceful and elegant. Swan. Swan.
Duck. Duck.
Duck swims very well. Duck. Duck.
Goose. Goose.
Goose is a large water bird. Goose. Goose.
Turkey. Turkey.
Turkey is a common farm bird. Turkey. Turkey.
Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken lays eggs. Chicken. Chicken.
Rooster. Rooster.
Rooster crows every morning. Rooster. Rooster.
Penguin. Penguin.
Penguin cannot fly but swims well. Penguin. Penguin.
Ostrich. Ostrich.
Ostrich is the world's largest bird. Ostrich. Ostrich.
Emu. Emu.
Emu is native to Australia. Emu. Emu.
Kiwi. Kiwi.
Kiwi is native to New Zealand. Kiwi. Kiwi.
Woodpecker. Woodpecker.
Woodpecker pecks tree trunks. Woodpecker. Woodpecker.
Kingfisher. Kingfisher.
Kingfisher catches fish. Kingfisher. Kingfisher.
Hummingbird. Hummingbird.
Hummingbird can hover in the air. Hummingbird. Hummingbird.
Toucan. Toucan.
Toucan has a huge, colorful beak. Toucan. Toucan.
Heron. Heron.
Heron waits patiently for fish. Heron. Heron.
Stork. Stork.
Stork has long legs. Stork. Stork.
Crane. Crane.
Crane is elegant and tall. Crane. Crane.
Vulture. Vulture.
Vulture cleans nature by eating carrion. Vulture. Vulture.
Magpie. Magpie.
Magpie is black and white. Magpie. Magpie.
Finch. Finch.
Finch loves eating seeds. Finch. Finch.
Thanks for watching. Like this video, hit the hype button, subscribe for more. See you in the next video.